coaching thought for the day. Let's talk about burgers. So we're going to think of burgers today in terms of the work that we do with coaches, the products that we create with them, for them, that sort of thing, or strategies, whatever it is. The coaching work. So there are some people who like burgers and they want for you to just deliver a burger to them every day. There are some people who want to know where you buy the burgers so they can go buy them themselves. Some people want to, almost got hit by a car. Some people want to know the recipe for burgers so they can follow your exact recipe and make your burgers at home. Some people want to just go crazy and they've got a sense of how you make your burgers and what you do, but they want something completely different. So with coaching, it's very much the same way. And we need to remember that there are some teachers who just need for us to give them a burger every day. Some teachers don't need us as much because they just want the recipe and they're going to run with it and do their own thing. It's important for us to, as coaches, be able to flex and give teachers what they need when they're ready. Some teachers, we may want them, cooking their burgers on their own, but they're just not ready yet. They aren't master chefs. So I think it's just important to make sure that we are recognizing teachers for what they need and who they are, and giving them what they need when they need it. So I hope that's helpful.